In this demo, we will be reviewing the process for registering as a player or performer for an open mic event. From the home page, click or tap the player button from the menu on the bottom of the page. This will take you to the player login. On the player login page, click Register. Once you click this button, this will take you to the player registration page, where you will be prompted to select the group that you want to register with. In this demo, we will be registering with a group called Cherry Street Brewing. After selecting the group that we are registering for, which is Cherry Street Brewing, we will now enter our profile information. First, we will choose our player profile image. If you don't choose your own image, the default image will be used. Next, enter your name. Last name is optional. Then, you will need to enter your email address. Phone number is optional. If you would like to use an alias, enter it in the display name. Next, you will create your password. You will also need to re-enter your password to confirm it. Now, enter the primary musical instrument that you play. Select a value from the drop-down menu. If you can't find your instrument, select Other. This lets other players in the group know what instruments that you play. There is also another field for entering any other instruments that you play. In the About Me field, enter some information about yourself. This will appear on your profile page and is visible to other players in this group. Sharing information about yourself lets other players know a little bit about you and helps to build community and promotes collaboration between the players. In this demo, we will ignore the player privacy setting. Click Register to continue. After clicking the Register button on the player registration page, you will be prompted to verify the email address you used when creating your profile. Anyone using the open mic service, whether a host or a performer, must be authenticated. Also, when a host or player registers with open mic, the email address for their account must be verified. Once you enter your information on the player registration page, an email is sent to the email address you provided. Check your email and get the email verification code that was sent to you. Return to the email verification prompt and type or paste the verification code. Then click Continue. Once your email has been verified, the process is complete. This performer is now registered with Cherry Street Brewing and is now able to create their own set in the lineup and interact with the other performers in this group. From the player list, if we click the new player, their profile page is displayed, which contains their image, the About Me description, the instruments they play, as well as their contact information. This player can now interact with all these other players in the group. Before we leave this demo, let's take a quick look at the My Profile menu option. This option allows the player to make changes to their profile information anytime. A Change Password button is also provided. It's important to note that any player can remove their own profile at any time. No one else can change a player's profile, not even the host of this group. Now let's return to the home page. This demo is now complete. See you in the next one.